Okay, this is my final project. This is what I'm calling Reorder Bot. It's essentially a smart scale that is meant to automatically notify you when the weight of whatever product you set on there has dropped below a certain threshold. And so I've got a Raspberry Pi that is wired to a scale and an HX711 module, which will interface with the Raspberry Pi to read raw weight values. And then I've got the Raspberry Pi also wired to a red LED and a yellow LED. And the purpose of those is because there's two thresholds you can set. You can set a yellow threshold. If the weight drops below that, the light will simply turn yellow. And if it drops further below the red threshold, the red light will turn on and an email notification will come to my email saying it's time to reorder. I have those thresholds right now set at 2 pounds. If it drops below 2 pounds, the yellow should light up. And if it drops below 1 pound, the red light will light on and an email will be sent. So I'm gonna start out with this is a 2.5 pound weight. So with this on it, nothing should happen. You should see no lights light up and no email will be sent. So I'm gonna start the program now. I also have it printing out on the screen the weight that it reads. So it read that at 2.5 and none of the lights lit up. So now what I'm gonna do is remove this weight and put this book and these two old cell phones on it. And that is about 1.3 pounds. So we should see what happens here. I read that at 1.3 and the yellow LED turned on. And so now what I'll do is remove that, so I'll have nothing on the scale. We should see the red light turn on and an email come into my email. And sure enough, there it is. The red light triggers, and I did just have an email come into my inbox saying it's time to reorder, and the weight had dropped to basically 0 pounds. And that is it. Thank you.